In these last few days, representatives from Northern Health's mental health and addiction services have been making stops throughout the Fort St. John community to talk about a chronic health condition. As this week has been proclaimed Addictions Awareness Week, the reps have been meeting with residents to educate and provide a sense of hope.
Addiction can be treated, it is preventable, and that there's services out there to get you help if you need help.
One of the things the team is working to reduce is the stigma surrounding addiction, which, according to Monahan, is the reason why many people don't seek help.
That's the biggest issue. There can be embarrassment, but it affects individuals, families, communities. It affects everyone.
Early detection is key, Monahan says. It's better to act right away if you or your loved one is dealing with an addiction.
Addiction can snowball really quickly, so you want to be aware of it right away. Families be aware of it. If they see it within the family or someone they love, to go and talk to them, maybe refer them to getting some treatment or some help.
According to the organization, the most vulnerable population is youth, which is the reason why prevention services are key. Health also plays a major role. Monahan says certain people can be even more vulnerable if they aren't taking care of themselves.
If you have decreased stress or anxiety in your life, you're less likely to reach out to a substance to maybe numb that pain.
For more details on addiction, you can visit the Mental Health and Addiction Services office in Fort St. John during working hours, Monday to Friday. Faiza Amin, CJDC TV News, Fort St. John.